For years, businesses have grappled with this. Some resort to messy spreadsheets, others to handwritten notes that inevitably get lost. Some simply make do with the limitations of their software, sacrificing valuable information. But what if there was a better way? What if your job management software could adapt to your needs, not the other way around? That's precisely what custom fields in Jobber allow you to do. At its core, a custom field is exactly what it sounds like. A field you create yourself to store specific information that isn't already built into Jobber's standard templates. It's like giving your Jobber account a brain upgrade, teaching it to remember the unique data points that matter most to your business. But it's not just about tracking information for tracking's sake. The true power of custom fields lies in how they streamline your workflow, improve communication, and enhance your decision-making. Imagine a scenario where your technician arrives at a job site and, thanks to a custom field, immediately knows the client prefers you use their specific brand of cleaning solution, or that their dog Buster is often in the yard and needs to be secured before work begins. This isn't just convenience. It's professional, efficient, and builds strong client relationships. Let's break down the what and the why of custom fields. What exactly can you use custom fields for? The possibilities are almost endless, limited only by your imagination and the unique needs of your business. Here are some common categories and examples. Client preferences. Beyond just contact details, you can track things like preferred communication method, text, email, call, specific access instructions, gate codes, alarm details, pet information, breed, name, specific instructions, client notes that are specific to their service, e.g., always park on the street, use back entrance, specific product or service preferences, job-specific details. This is where custom fields really shine for field service businesses. Equipment details, model numbers, age, last service date for an HVAC unit, material requirements, specific paint colors, types of wood, plumbing parts needed, site conditions, sloping yard, tight access, difficult parking, project phases or milestones, warranty information for installed items, before and after readings for certain services, e.g., water pressure, temperature, property information. For businesses working on properties, this is invaluable. Square footage of specific areas, number of rooms, year built, specific landscaping features, type of roof or siding, internal operational data, information that helps your team, internal job complexity rating, required certifications for a specific job type, pre-job checklist completion status, lead source tracking, beyond standard marketing fields, internal notes for quality control, financial and billing. While Jobber has robust billing features, custom fields can supplement. Specific discount codes applied, payment terms notes, third-party billing details, specific cost centers. Why are custom fields so important? The benefits extend far beyond just having extra data points. They directly impact your bottom line and overall business health. Increased efficiency. No more scrambling for notes or calling the client back for forgotten details. All essential information is right there, accessible to anyone who needs it, from the office staff scheduling the job to the technician on site. This reduces administrative time and allows your team to focus on the work itself. Improved accuracy and reduced errors. With dedicated fields for unique data, there's less room for misinterpretation or forgetting critical information. This leads to fewer mistakes on jobs, less rework, and ultimately happier customers. Enhanced customer satisfaction. When your team arrives prepared, knowing specific preferences or potential challenges, it demonstrates a high level of professionalism and care. This personalized service creates a stronger bond with your clients, encouraging repeat business and positive reviews. Better decision-making. The data you collect in custom fields can be invaluable for analyzing your business. Want to know which types of jobs require specific equipment, or which clients tend to have more complex needs? Custom fields provide the raw data for these insights, helping you optimize your services, pricing, and resource allocation. Streamlined communication. Everyone on your team, from sales to operations to field staff, is on the same page. No more relying on verbal handoffs or fragmented information. This clarity reduces miscommunication and ensures a smooth workflow. Scalability. As your business grows, the complexity often increases. Custom fields allow your Jobber account to grow with you, adapting to new service offerings, client types, or operational needs without needing to switch software. Professionalism. Presenting your team with all the necessary details before they even step on site elevates your professional image. It shows clients that you are organized, thorough, and committed to providing top-notch service. How do they work in Jobber? Jobber makes creating and utilizing custom fields incredibly intuitive. You can add them to various sections. Clients. Perfect for storing client-specific preferences and details. Properties. Ideal for information unique to a location, like access notes or property features. Quotes and jobs. Crucial for job-specific details, equipment needed, or site conditions. Invoices. Less common, but useful for specific billing notes. When you create a custom field, you'll choose the type of data it will hold, such as text field, for short, free-form text. Paragraph text, for longer notes or descriptions. Number field, for numerical data, e.g., square footage, temperature. Drop-down, for a predefined list of options, e.g., grass type, Bermuda, fescue, zoysia. This is great for standardization and reporting. Date field, for specific dates, e.g., last service date. Checkbox, for simple yes/no or true/false options. Once created, these custom fields appear on the relevant forms within Jobber, making them easy for your team to fill out. The best part? You can even make certain custom fields visible on client-facing documents like quotes and invoices, or keep them internal for your team only. This level of control ensures you're sharing the right information with the right people. Think about how much time you currently spend hunting down information, or how many small details get missed. Custom fields are the answer to that frustration. They transform Jobber from a generic tool into a highly customized, powerful engine tailored to the precise heartbeat of your business. They empower you to capture the nuances that differentiate your service, leading to greater efficiency, happier clients, and a more robust business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.